All right, fellas, we're testing out the new point of view setup on the helmet here. And we got the Rottweiler tuned 2024 GasGas ES700 out here. Got the rally foot pegs, engine guards, CNC goodies, some carbon fiber stuff, full titanium exhaust. Gonna go for just a raw ride around Rockville here. It's been a little while since we had the old girl out. Been real busy in the shop. Holy shit. That'll get your heart going. Scariest part with these wheelies is going to put them down, because their front tires usually basically completely slowed down, so you got to really gas out of it, and the front end kind of scatters about. Gets a little hairy. Rockville youth getting out of school just now, about 3:20 on Thursday before Christmas. We just rolled out a new program. We have Maple Street School, which is our town elementary school. We're giving all the kids free admission to the museum. I know there's a lot of families in Rockville that maybe otherwise wouldn't be spending the $10 admission to come down to see the museum, but we want to make sure that no one gets left out. lot of them have been split up into multifamily. This one right here just sold for $200,000 a few months back. 4,000 square feet, massive. There's a couple 4 to 6,000 square foot single families right on this stretch, including a massive castle. I'll show you right here. So I'm going to show you the best part about this bike. Right now I've got the Dunlop D606 knobbies on it, which it's a DOT tire, so it's safe on the highway. DOT approved. But you know, you can take it out and like ride it on a hard pack track right now as it sits. Like go straight off road and go hit some like dirt jumps on it. Versatility is unmatched. On these is just crazy. Transmissions are golden, like it just kind of meshes into gear. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! You feel the ground is frozen at this point, but it's got on it in second, and it just immediately just starts. Oh my goodness! Immediately just starts slipping, bouncing off the rev limiter all the way up through fourth. This thing's an absolute monster. I said it from the beginning. I freaking love how the Explorer fork is set up on this bike. It just feels like it's not blowing through the stroke, it's not too soft, but it's nice and plush, man. Like it really soaks up. Like on a motocross track, you'll never be competing on one of these, but if you're riding like in the grass and stuff, it's just such a smooth ride, man. It's crazy. So our new thing has been catching air at the top of the driveway, and I've been able to do it on a 125. You can definitely do it on the 700. Woo! Really came out to watch. Gotta go. Gotta be somewhere.
A little stress relief.
Yeah.
Oh my just gotta giggle.
Yeah, you know, we've been lacking content on the Kaplan America channel. Had to give him something to watch, right. You know.
Oh, yeah.
So.
How do you like that helmet?
Man,
The 6D.
yeah, we're big 6D guys. Yeah, I got one when they first came out in must have been what 2014.
Yep.
Smashed myself really good a couple times, and now this is all we wear.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of guys have tried to copy the MIPS suspension setup, but 60s hands down.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're starting to make them in football helmets and stuff, but specifically in like low speed impacts, it just, dude.
Pretty light.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We sell them here in the shop. I got a couple on display over there.
I
Yeah.
looked at those for street bikes, and I was like,
Yep.
I'm just gonna stick to my RI.
Yeah. Yep.
And the ride is so heavy too. I don't even know why I like them.
Yeah. The problem with those helmets is there's no, like the single layer helmets, the sound when you hit the ground, like that concussion will, this, you know.
Do enough damage yourself.
Yeah,
I try not to
exactly.
do that anymore.
Right. Well, you never plan on hitting the ground until you hit the ground. So.
That's absolutely
Words
right.
of wisdom.
Been there a few times.
I love you right there, man. Never thought of that. Really didn't plan this one.
Holy cow. Yeah.
So you always get up and do the Macarena, man. You're always like,
yeah, right.
wiggling your fucking toes.
Where's the bike? Did you limp a little longer? You know, as you get older.
Yeah. No shit.
Thanking your lucky stars.
Yep.
Yeah. Dodge another one.
Yep.
Yeah, we always joke about the sound of concussion in the helmet. Us old timers, you know, the more the thin dull magnums or whatever.
Tupperware with the stickers on it, right?
Yeah, just like put your head in a can and have somebody hit it with a bat.
Oh, dude, you'll be out.
Yeah.
You'll be out. Ears will be ringing for a week.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
You can still hear that sound of concussion.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try regrouping and finishing the moto with that. Yeah, that'll never happen. Yeah.
No.
Yep.
That's impressive.
But yeah, we swear by 60. Bob Weber's got a really good thing going on. So.
It comes with the plug and everything, or is this yours? It's got a charge plug and everything.
Oh yeah, that's just we do that with all the bikes here.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, the only items not stock. This is OEM option crash bar.
Yeah.
They call these Baja pegs, oversized foot pegs.
Yeah, we did that on our TWs.
Yeah, got some carbon bits here. Got the Excel black wheel set.
Yeah.
Let me see what else. Oh, full titanium exhaust.
Yep.
Intake, emissions block off plate, tuner, and it makes well into the 70 horsepower. This has better power to weight ratio than a CR500, but it's got power everywhere.
How much they hit you for the protectors? 100, 150?
Short money, yeah, somewhere around there. It's it's OEM option, you know, just bolts on, you pull them right off, you know.
There's a video online of Kenny doing clearing a 60-foot triple tabletop.
Yeah, you take it on the motocross track. It's not what it's meant for, but you can definitely do it.
Like it on this bike.
Yep. Gas tank in the rear, you know. So it's they haven't changed them in a couple of years, but they hit the nail on the head.
Yeah.
They did. Ken says, take it for a ride up the road, Bill. I go, sure, you know. He said, put it in second, just roll it on, you know. Well, I made a mistake. I turned the corner, I put it in third. It went up the road like, holy shit. I turned around and came back and I shifted through the gears past the museum. I mean, I don't ride like that anymore.
Yeah.
It just is inspiring.
Yeah.
I was telling him, one of the guys we used to race with, Scott Lyman, bought the 700 supermotor, and he put the He put the wings exhaust on it.
Yeah.
Did a bunch of other stuff. It's just a beautiful bike, and he loves it. He rides that more than anything.
That's
Sick.
the same exact bike as this with different wheels.
Different
Yeah.
trim. Yeah, suspension and wheels. Yeah.
Yeah. He loves it.
Yeah.
Nothing but good things. People
Yeah.
ask him about it all the time.
You know, they say to change oil every 10,000 miles. Like they got good oiling and long
Yeah.
service intervals and titanium valves, DLC coated followers. They don't wear in, and they've been making the big bore four-stroke single for 20.
Yeah.
How many years, Bill? They've been
20 years.
Yeah.
well close to 30 now, right? Because
Yeah.
they had
Yeah.
at the late 90s.
Yep.
Yeah. So, and they just perfected this motor, and it's just a total jewel.
Yeah.
This is my favorite bike that we own right now.
How many gallons is the tank?
3.6,
And if you don't beat the shit out of it, how far can you go on it?
180 miles.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's plenty.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Your ass gets tired anyway.
it'll get you there. That's for certain. But yeah, a lot of fun. Go
I'll
out
have
and
to go
play.
riding with you with the TWs.
Yeah. Yeah,
Come on,
man.
baby!
That's funny.
Full talk. We ride with it for like, I'll give it
man.
4 minutes.
Yeah. Well, if there's anyone still watching this video here, thank you. Wishing everyone a happy holiday. And yeah, if you're looking for a new GasGas, we do have 700s in stock. You can give me a call, 860-454-7024, or drop a message down here. Freaking unbelievable machine. Happy holidays, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless America.